it's learning the shape again. A soft direction